163 species in genus Colchicum. January 18th. Colchicum, January 18th belongs to Colchicum, the autumn crocus. This plant blooms in unexpected seasons, reflecting your ability to surprise and inspire. You have a unique perspective and a creative mind that challenges the status quo. Colchicum, the naked ladies of autumn. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to the unusual and unexpected in the natural world. So, when I first encountered the Colchicum genus, I was immediately captivated. These fascinating plants, often referred to as naked ladies or autumn crocuses, possess a unique beauty and a touch of mystery that sets them apart in the floral kingdom. What makes Colchicum special? Colchicum belongs to the Colchicaceae family and is native to regions across West Asia, Europe, the Mediterranean coast, and even down to South Africa. What distinguishes this genus is its peculiar growth cycle. Unlike most flowering plants, Colchicum blooms in the autumn, often sending up its vibrant blossoms before any leaves appear. This characteristic has earned them the moniker naked ladies, as the flowers seem to emerge bare from the ground. The flowers themselves are typically goblet-shaped or crocus-like, showcasing a range of colors from delicate pinks and purples to bold whites and yellows. They possess a delicate beauty that contrasts with the often fading landscape of autumn. After the flowers fade, the leaves emerge, persisting through the winter and dying back in the spring. This unique life cycle is an adaptation to their native environments, allowing them to take advantage of the autumn rains and store energy for the following year. A diverse genus. The Colchicum genus boasts a remarkable diversity, with over 160 recognized species. Each species possesses its own unique charm and characteristics. See full list at monsteraholic.com. A touch of caution. While Colchicum species are undeniably beautiful, it's important to remember that they contain the alkaloid colchicine, which is highly toxic to both humans and animals. Ingestion can lead to severe symptoms and even death. Therefore, it's crucial to admire these plants from a safe distance and to keep them out of reach of children and pets. The allure of Colchicum. Despite their toxicity, Colchicum species continue to captivate plant enthusiasts and gardeners alike. Their unique growth cycle, vibrant blooms, and touch of mystery make them a truly remarkable addition to any garden. Whether you're drawn to their delicate beauty or their unusual life cycle, Colchicum is sure to leave a lasting impression. As someone who appreciates the wonders of the natural world, I find Colchicum to be a testament to the diversity and resilience of life. Their ability to thrive in challenging environments and their unique adaptations serve as a reminder of the incredible power of nature. I encourage everyone to take a moment to appreciate the beauty of these naked ladies and to marvel at their unique place in the botanical world.